Where is the best place to get your sugar rush on? Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa Yurkevich on Buzz 60. I'm talking about trick-or-treating, of course. The real estate company Zillow released its 4th annual Trick-or-Treat Index, ranking the top 20 cities around the country to get the best trick-or-treating experience. The West Coast pretty much swept the top 5, including San Jose and Seattle. Honolulu came in 3rd. But really, how could trick-or-treating ever be bad there? Boston came in at number 2, and the number 1 spot went to San Francisco. Yeah, cause all those row houses make it pretty easy for speed trick-or-treating. Zillow determined its results based on the least walking, safest city, and of course, who gives out the most candy. So I can see why New York didn't make the list.
He's not happy. What else you got?
Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.